From today exactly 187 days are remaining for the CAT exam. 28 weeks for the CAT exam. CAT का भी date आ गया है. CAT is on November 25th. So we have the final countdown starting for the CAT exam. So in this video we'll talk about the weekly homework. So what I've done here is at CET King that I've divided your CAT preparation into weekly homeworks, because there's so much to be done. It's very difficult to handle everything together. So week by week अगर आप follow करते जाएंगे तो अपना काम हो जाएगा. Trust me, even if you follow this homework for 1 week, it will get you into regular mode. It will get you into a timetable mode where every week we'll have targets. Okay. So what we've done, we've divided the CAT preparation into 6 phases. It's very boring to study for the exam, which is after 6 months. Fine. Being an Indian student, we are used to studying for the exam for 3-4 days. So we are used to a kind of a setting up a target for a very short term goal. 2 दिन पढ़ना, 3 days study, 4 दिन study. Fine. But here we have to study for 6 months. So sometimes it becomes very difficult to catch up with the studies, especially if you're working or have a college to attend. So it will become very difficult to follow the timetable. So in these videos, what we've done is, so we've divided the preparation into 6 phases. In this next 15 days, we're going to focus on the blue phase. So there are total 6 phases. Every 15 days we'll focus on one phase. And all the phases are not related to each other. So you can start any time with any phase. Fine. And there will be a starting preparation for the basics. So to complete all the basics, I need 3 months ka time. So if you're starting today, it will take you 3 months ka time to complete all the basics. ठीक है, तो ऑफिस भी जाना है, कॉलेज भी जाना है, एंड देन वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर फॉर द MBA as well. So that's why we move to weekly homeworks. So week by week, so let's look at all the lectures, all the tests, e-classes, and complete everything on the weekly basis. So every week I'll give you 4-5 topics, and your target is to complete those 4-5 topics in a week, so that we are done with everything and abreast with ourselves for the preparation of the CAT exam. Okay, because we still have enough time for the CAT exam, I'm not involving the full-length mocks as of now. We'll start with the mocks in the month of June, July. So we अपने पास काफ़ी टाइम है मॉक देने के लिए. ठीक है. As of now, let's focus on the basics. Fine. So the part of the blue phase, these are the topics we are going to cover up in the next 15 days. Fine. Almost 8 questions out of 100 questions the CAT exam is going to be out of this phase. Fine. 8 to 10 marks का पेपर CAT में आएगा आपके. So this phase is almost 1/10 important as per the CAT exam. Okay, so again we have to divide them into 2 phases. If you are an online student or the classroom student, same timetable where we are following for the classroom as well. Fine, so that we are dividing everything into the 15 days ka program. Fine, so this week this is a target. So chain rule mandates. If you remember, 10 men can do a job in 5 days. How many men are required to do the same job in 8 days? So those things come as a part of the mandates, which is one question you will most probably see in the CAT exam. In fact, pick up any exam, there can be one question in almost every exam. CAT, SNAP, NMAT, CET, all the exams. Time and work, time, speed, distance are the most important topic right now for the CAT and non-CAT exam. CAT में time, speed, distance, time and work will be 4 questions total. NMAT will be around 6 to 8 questions. CET again 4-5 questions. So time and work have become very important. In fact, what CAT is doing now, they are giving you a DI ka set which is based on quant. So there's a small possibility you can get a DI which is based on time and work. Okay, we'll do all these things when we reach the advanced level, but as of now, as a basic part, we have to do time and work seriously. Statement assumption, again, 1 question in the CAT exam you can expect, and 2-3 questions in almost every exam, IFT, NMAT, CET, SNAP. So statement assumption is more of a critical reasoning question rather than a logic based question. So critical reasoning, 1 mark. Fill the blanks, which is going to be there for every exam except for CAT, and problem solving puzzles. Puzzles is basically a sitting arrangement type of sitting arrangement in which we'll focus on the puzzles, which will again be there in almost every exam you're going to take. Okay. So if you can follow these 5 topics, if you can complete these 5 topics in the next 1 week, this can be of a great help so that we can focus on the new topics next week. ठीक है, तो आप जॉब का कर रहे हो, ये कर रहे हो, सब छोड़ के लेट्स फोकस ना वीकली टाइम टेबल्स. फाइन, जो टॉपिक होता जाएगा उसका आप टेस्ट देते जाओ. इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू गिव अ टेस्ट. फाइन, सो इन योर लॉगिन आईडी देयर 400 टेस्ट. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द विच वर टॉपिक. ज्योमेट्री मेंसुरेशन किया उसका टेस्ट दे दो, टाइम एंड वर्क दिया उसका टेस्ट दे दो. तो जो टॉपिक आप करते जाओगे उसका टेस्ट देते जाओ. एंड डोंट वरी अबाउट स्कोर. पहले कुछ टेस्ट में स्कोर कम ही आएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट टाइम एंड वर्क, देयर 4 टेस्ट इन लॉगिन आईडी ऑन टाइम एंड वर्क. First test you might score 1 or 2 marks, then 6-7 marks, then 12-13 marks, then 18-19 marks. So gradually we'll improve the scores. Overnight you can't improve the score that much. Okay. So alright, that's all I wanted to cover up in this video. In case you have any more questions from me, you can ask me in the comment box. In case you want to join our program, you can call us on any of these numbers to join the program in classroom or online. Alright, all the best and thank you very much for watching this video.